In this video, I'm going to be challenging myself to make a song with a kalimba in only 10 minutes. Let's do it. Here I have a brand new session. I'm just going to get the beats per minute at around 99. Let's click record. I haven't got time to set up the microphone. Right now we need to just get a feel for the beat. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's experiment this chord. That's cool, let's go with that. Right, now let's quickly just open this up a little bit. Get the scissors tool. We're going to cut just at the end of these chords, like that. Then we're going to zoom right in, and we're just going to make sure that they start on the beginning of each beat, so it's in time. Oh, it's so much more difficult when you're being rushed. Here it is, so far we've got this. Turn that off. All right, 8.2. That's really quiet. Let's turn that bit up a little bit, then we'll turn that one down a little bit. Right, let's filter all this out because you can see it's not really adding much, so let's just get rid of it. Let's actually boost that slightly. Right, there's a harshness there. Let's get rid of that. Right, now let's actually change the sound a little bit. So let's first add a compressor just to bring everything back to the same sort of volume. Choose some sort of keyboard compression. Now let's add an echo, silver verb. Oh, that's quite nice. I like the real sound actually. That's epic. Let's get rid of that little bit at the end where it chops off. Let's bring it down like that. Cool, it sounds good. I like it. Let's go kicks. Create new. We're going to first glue it together. Glue, glue, glue. Right, that's joined. Duplicate it, put it over there. And here we're going to work on our drum section. So classic drums, I like sort of something like this. And then we're just going to duplicate that again. Now we need to find a snare. I like that, let's use that. Just drag that in, and we're going to put that around 5. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again, we're going to pop that there. Drag that across. Dun, 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 dun. Right, now we're going to find a hi-hat or something. That's quite cool. Let's use that. Is there another one? That's quite cool as well. We'll use that. Right, let's alternate. Firstly, which one sounds better with the music? I like this one better. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this as our main hi-hat. So I think it's an open hi-hat, and then we're going to use the other one to alternate. And at the moment, our mix is feeling very like robotic. So we need to kind of switch it up a little bit. I think we're off time somewhere. Yeah, we're off time. Oh my God, this is not going right. Yeah, let's try like that. Like every other one. No way. And that's our 10 minutes timer up. So this is what we made in 10 minutes. So it's not much, but it's a nice foundation that we could use to build upon, turn it into a full song, put some vocals on it, and I think it would sound pretty good. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, you will really like this video on screen now.